Good morning, dear cadets. So, yesterday I have completed the adaptation in polar region. Okay, and with respect to two animals, penguins and polar bear, we have discussed adaptation in polar region. Now, there is one more area, one more region which is entirely different from polar region, isn't it? There also adaptation is there. So whosoever is living there, staying there, I am talking of animals which are living there, how they are getting adjusted with their immediate surrounding. Actually, first we have to study what are the environmental condition of that area, what is the climatic condition of that area, tropical rainforest region. So just see, as I taught in case of polar region, that what kind of climate is prevailing there. Same way, first I will teach here what kind of climatic condition is prevailed in tropical rainforest. So just see here, the region which is very near to the equator is called the rainforest, tropical region with high temperature. Means just try to understand, the region which is very near the equator, that is called the tropical rainforest region. And in tropical rainforest region, high temperature is there. The region near the equator is called tropical region with high temperature. So one thing is clear. Number one thing is, this region is near to the equator, and the area or region which is near to the equator, their temperature is always very high. Okay. Next one is, the length of day and night are almost equal. In case of polar region, what was there? 6 months sun does not set, 6 months sun does not rise. Means 6 month night, 6 month day used to be there. Here what is there? It is not like that. Sun is daily rising, sun is daily setting, and the length of day and night is almost equal. Tropical rainforests are characterized with the high temperature and heavy rainfall. Okay. In this area, what is there? Of course, temperature is very high, but rainfall is also very high. Okay. Tropical rainforest. Just see, Western Ghat of India, means this Karwar region, they comes under this category, and you might have seen the big elephant and some other animals, they are living there. Okay, those areas belongs to the tropical rainforest. Will tell you the name of animal and area also. Means some countries, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, these are the countries which comes under the tropical rainforest. Okay, and in India, what is there? All area does not belong to the tropical rainforest, but Western Ghat area very much belongs to the tropical rainforest. So the tropical rainforests are characterized with high temperature and heavy rainfall. There occurs wide variety of plants and animal. In tropical rainforest, what is happening? Wide variety of plants and animals both are found. Because of that, there is a fierce competition among the animal to get nutrition. Okay. So there occurs wide variety of plants and animal, due to which there exists competition for food and shelter amongst the animals. Okay, means just see, there occurs wide variety of plants and animal, due to which there exists competition for food and shelter amongst the animals. So here what is there? Competition is there for food and shelter, because wide variety of animal and wide variety of plants are there. Remember, if wide variety of plants are there, so wide variety of animals will also be there, because those animals, they are getting their food from those plants only. Similarly, when those animals excrete, then what is there? The bed of earth become very fertile, and wide variety of plant will also grow. Okay, now this year one chapter is there, Forest Our Lifeline. There I will tell you that plants and animal, they are mutually dependent on each other. How? just see, if more variety of plants is there, so more variety of animal will be there because they are getting the variety of food. If more variety of animals are there, so they will excrete and wide variety of plants will grow because their excretion makes the land fertile. Okay, so these are the mutual dependency of animals and plants. Since in tropical rainforest wide variety of plants and animals are there, that is why there is a competition for food and shelter amongst the animals. Okay, now we'll tell you that what kind of animals are found there and how they are getting adjusted with the nearby surrounding, okay, or climate. Okay, so animals found in tropical rainforest regions are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephant, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds and insects. Now birds, different variety of birds and different variety of insects. Now countries falls under the tropical forest region. Just see India. Now entire India does not falls. Only the Western Ghat region and some parts of Assam falls under tropical rainforest region. Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Congo. Now just see, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, they are the countries of Asia, Asian continent. Brazil, that is the South American country. Congo, that is the African countries. Uganda, isn't it? So what I want to convey you, that tropical rainforest, what to say, means abundance is there almost all the continents except Europe. Okay, now what kind of adaptations are found on the animals which are present in the tropical rainforest? Okay, so just see in that area what is there, large variety of plants are there. Okay, so almost animals are arboreal. What is the meaning of arboreal? The meaning of arboreal is they are living on trees only, living on the trees. Development of, now just see, if they are arboreal animal means living on the trees, it means what should be there, tail should be strong enough to catch hold the what to say, branches. Otherwise there is a chances of falling down. So the development of strong tails, large and long beaks. Now just see, since they are the animals which are living on the trees, so their beaks should be long, so that they can capture their food. Okay, bright colors, their color is bright. Why color is bright? If color is bright, so they can easily hide themselves among the trees. Next one is sharp patterns. Sharp patterns are there. Tiger you might have seen on their body, sharp patterns are there or not, strips are there or not. So almost all the animals, they have got the sharp patterns. These sharp patterns also help them to hide themselves from the predators and prey. Loud voice. Now just see, very dense forest is there. So if one particular animal is producing the sound, it may not be heard to other animal. So they are producing loud sound with the loud voice so that other can also hear. Okay, diet of fruits. So basically they are eating fruits only because in those area there is a plenty of availability of fruits. Sensitive hearing. Their hearing is very sensitive because dense forest is there. The moment prey and predators they are nearing, now they should catch hold them. Okay, and now their sense of hearing should be so sensitive that even small low pitch voice also they can hear. Okay, sharp eyesight. Sharp, their eyesight is very sharp so that they can see their prey and predators. Thick skin, skin is very thick, that is then only they can withstand the high temperature. Ability to camouflage in order to protect themselves from predators. Camouflage in the sense means they can change their body color according to nature color, means surrounding natural things color, so that they can deceive their prey and predators. So these are the body features which enable them to live happily in those area. Okay, so this is adaptation found in tropical rainforest region animals. And now I will tell you some adaptation found in those areas animal. Some selective animals I will teach, like adaptation found in the animals, adaptation found in the toucan bird, adaptation found in red-eyed frog. So these things I will teach you. Okay, so now I have selected here two animals and their adaptation I am going to explain you. The first one is adaptation is lion-tailed macaque. Okay, so just see, silver white mane, good climber, feeds on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stems, flower and insects. Their figure you can see from the NCERT textbook or from the internet also you can see. Okay, so just see first their picture and afterwards you will understand what kind of adaptation these are. Okay, so silver white mane. Now silver white mane means near their face big color hairs are there. Good climber, it can very easily climb on the trees. Feeds on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers and insects. Now the most important animals which are living in the tropical rainforest is elephants. And you know elephant is the one of the largest animal on earth. Okay, so now what are the adaptation found in the body of elephant? Okay, I hope that everyone is aware about the elephant's adaptive features. Now in Karnataka, Bandipura, what is there? One national park is there or not? If I am not wrong, so there elephants are there. Okay, so just see, Karnataka is having large number of elephants. In some parts of Assam, Kaziranga National Park, they are found. Okay, so just see what are the adaptive features which are found in their body. First one is trunk as a nose, which is used for picking up food for other things. Okay, so everybody is aware about the trunk of elephant. What is the function of trunk? It is used as a nose, which is used for picking up food and other things. Okay, that is why what elephant is doing, first it is smelling and afterwards it is capturing. So the trunk is used to pick the food. Okay, and you know that is one of the largest animal. Their food need is also very huge. Okay, next one is tusk, that is the modified teeth. Tusk, that is modified teeth. Okay, everybody is aware about the tusk. And now this is one of the precious things in this nature. There is a smuggling of elephant tusk. Okay, because ivory and some dolls are in toy market. There is a huge demand of this one. Toy market, huge demand of tusk, modified teeth to tear the bark of trees. So tusk, modified teeth to tear the bark of trees. That is the function of tusk. Tusk is so strong that it can tear the bark of trees. Next one is large ears to hear soft sounds and help to keep the body cool. Large ears to hear soft sounds and help to keep the body cool. So ear is also very large. Black color ear, they are very large. What is the function of large ear? Number one thing is it can hear very soft sound. Number one thing, due to large ear. Second one thing, just see in the tropical rainforest, temperature is all time high only. So it keeps, means elephant keeps its body cool with the help of ear. Okay, so these are the some adaptive features which are found in the lion-tailed macaque and adaptation in elephants. Okay, so elephant is very important animal in tropical rainforest region. Okay, and just try to understand, people are catching hold the elephants and now they are making them to roam here and there. But try to understand here, elephant is maybe large animal, but because of the brain of human being, we can control the elephant. Okay, so these are the some of the adaptive features of the elephants and lion-tailed macaque. Okay, and now we'll show you one video where you will understand the adaptive features, adaptive body features of elephant. Okay, so just see one video related with the elephants. Okay,
elephants are the largest living plant mammals. They have a number of features that help them to survive in different habitats. The presence of such special features that enables the animals to survive in different habitats is called adaptation. The most prominent adaptation in an elephant is its trunk. The trunk is the elongation of the nose and the upper lips. An elephant manipulates food and brings it to its mouth by using its trunk. The trunk has numerous tiny muscles that allow the elephant to grasp and eat all sorts of vegetation like tree foliage, branches, and twigs. An elephant needs a huge quantity of food and water to live. That is why a large herd of elephants is generally found mainly in food-rich areas. The elephant uses the trunk as a suction device to draw water, which is then squirted into the mouth for drinking. The trunk can hold around 4 liters of water. An elephant can drink about 200 liters of water in a day and survive for 2 weeks without water. It also uses the trunk as a shower with various pressure settings to spray water for cooling its body and serving the purpose of basic hygiene at the same time. It has the largest nose in the world. Hence, it is not surprising that an elephant is thought to have the best sense of smell among animals. It constantly moves its trunk in the air, in every direction, for recognizing the smells to determine the location of its group, enemies, and food sources. Other adaptive features in an elephant is its tusk, which is actually an elongated incisor. The elephants use their tusks for various purposes, like stripping the bark of a tree that they love to eat. Thus, they are capable of handling competition for food with other animals. It is not easy for an elephant to go unnoticed because of its body weight and size. The large surface area of its feet supports its weight and the soft elastic layers, which form the sole act as shock absorbers and help them to move silently. One of the best features that an elephant has is its ears. By flapping its huge ears, an elephant can lower its blood temperature by more than 5 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Elephants live in different habitats, from the tropical rainforests to desert regions. The so-called desert elephants, which live in the desert, have some more unique adaptations to their hot, dry, and sandy environment. The temperature in this region is very hot. Even the small animals find it difficult to survive. Desert elephants have evolved their own efficient cooling mechanisms. They are less hairy and have wrinkled skin. The wrinkled skin increases the surface area, which allows more heat to escape and hence helps a desert elephant in keeping its body temperature low. Due to the scarcity of water in a hot region, a desert elephant uses its trunk to spray mud as a substitute of water onto its back for cooling its body. Spraying mud on the body also protects it from flies and ticks. Thus, during the process of evolution, elephants have adapted, survived, and thrived successfully in their habitats. They are the largest living land animals on Earth today.
Okay, so now this is the time to write some questions. So the first question is, write some characteristics of climate of tropical rainforest. Okay, so write down some characteristics. Since beginning of the video only I have taught you. Write some adaptation found in animals of tropical rainforest. So 9-10 adaptive features present in their body. Already I have told you that same you should write. Write some adaptation found in elephants. Just now I have completed. You have seen the videos also. Write some adaptation found in lion-tailed macaque. That also you should write, and I have explained you. In this way, this chapter is also completed only. Only NCERT exercise is left. So we'll try hard to complete the NCERT exercise tomorrow. Okay. And as far as the explanation part is concerned, almost I have completed all the things, including in between exercises. So thank you. Have a nice day.